Yeah, hi sir. My name is Vijay. I'm from Australia. So I've been there for the last 20 years. So in that time of COVID, when I was just Googling, so I found your company of Sodahub. Then next day itself, I contacted Sharma sir to regarding about the machinery. So and that's very boom going on in the Indian market. So I thought of like introducing to the Australian market, and then through online I got all the support and explained all the details. Even without seeing the machinery, I bought it to Australia. I got like all the support from technical department and flavors, everyone. Even Kader sir and Aslam sir, they both also helped me to do little bit like how the bottle looks more attractive. With Srinivas sir gave me a lot of support, like while I was setting up the machine things and everything. So then finally we shipped from India to Australia the machinery. After that, even for setting up the machinery, everything, I got a lot of support from the technical department from Sodahub. Still, like from last 2 years, they're giving me so much of encouragement and support. Day by day, still we are growing, and they are helping out with the bottles and flavoring also. They are suggesting me new flavors, what's going on in the Indian market. So again, came back to visit the factory to see the new machinery. It's a 16 BPM one, and also the packaging machine, for shrink sleeves machine. So I already ordered those two. So it's about to start from India, and we are expand to another two states, South Australia and Northern Territory, maybe in a couple of months. So once our new machine is arrived. Thank you.